Today I will show you how to change your old phone number on Steam. So to change the phone number, press here at the top on your name, then press on account details. And straight under account details you can find that contact info, manage your phone number. And I have one which is ending in 35. I want to change it, so I will press on change number, but I do not have the access to that number anymore. So I'll just press on remove my old phone number and they will send me a code. I'll go really quick and find it. It is the email they send me and this is the code. I will just copy that code and paste it right here. They will send you that via the email which is connected to your account. Press on remove my phone number now. Enter the new phone number which you want to add, then press on next, and let's have a look on our email. Let's go to the inbox and see if we have a new email from Steam, and I will have to press on add number, and let's see, email confirmed, the phone number can now be added to your account. Press on next and let's see, I receive a code on my messages on my phone. Press on next. Done, you have successfully added a phone number to your account. Press on done, and that was it. Now I have another phone number which is ending in 51. Thank you all for watching and I hope this tutorial helped you out.